Hello guys, welcome. So in this video, let's see how to install Python latest version in Windows system. Let's open a Google Chrome and type Python download. Here you can find the Python official website link. Open it and there you can find the download option for the latest version which is suitable for Windows. Let's click on the download. Now the exe file is get downloaded. Let's open a file manager. Here the exe file is available. So before installing the Python, let's open a local disk C, and here I will create a new folder and named it as a Python 3.13.7. So why I'm creating this folder is so for installing the Python in a custom location. So while we are installing the Python in a custom location, it will be very helpful to install Jupyter Notebook and the Spider without using Anaconda. So that is the reason I have created a separate folder for Python. Okay. So now open the downloads. Now click on this Python exe file. Let's start installing it. I will click this custom installation. So I will click on check this box, use admin privilege, and add a Python exe to the path, environmental path. Okay, now click on this custom installation. I will click on this next, and here I will choose my custom location. Let's open this PC. Inside the local disk C, I have created a new folder. I will select this folder, okay, and install Python 3.13 for all users. Okay, I have checked this box, and now I will click on install. It is asking permission. I will give yes. Now it is installing. Now the Python is successfully getting installed. Let's click on this close button, and let's verify the Python installation. Open command prompt. Let's type Python hyphen version. So you can see Python latest version 3.13.7 is installed in your system. Thank you. Thanks for watching.